umayos ka. Otherwise, I'll move to cite you in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung mayor nga namin, nasa bikutan na. Yung mayor na sinite namin in contempt. Hindi na dito kinukulong. Doon na sa bikutan. So you better be careful.
That was
Kasasabi
referred to
lang ng
LTO.
boss kanina na nakipag-coordinate sila sa LTO eh. Are you denying that boss did not coordinate even with your office? I'll repeat my order. I want to see your boss or your executive director here. Di ba't sinabi ko na kanina? Tingnan mo ngayon ang nangyayari. Hindi mo na masagot yung mga katanungan dito. Hindi ko makuha yung kasagutan po ninyo sa tanong ni Honorable Busita eh. Sabi nyo, nowhere in RA 4136 does it state na kayo po ang may control dun sa mga ganitong event. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, pero sinabi nyo po kanina na sumulat po yung boss sa inyo and then you acted on it. As a matter of fact, you sent them a letter to cease and desist. Di ba? And then, nag-file ang boss ng motion for reconsideration, pinayagan nyo na. Ni-rescind nyo yung una nyong order for them to desist. To cease and desist. Di mo ba? So, what was the basis of your action? With your statement that nowhere under Republic Act 4136 does it state na pakialaman nyo yun?
Your Honor, the basis of LTO is an anonymous complaint that was sent to the Office of the President and it was referred to LTO. LTO conducted an investigation and based on that, LTO found in the initial order, Your Honor, the decision of LTO was based on the aspect of negligence as a proximate cause of this road crash. In the appeal, this is where there was an appeal, Your Honor.
Sandali lang, Director. Ito pa lang yung umpisa na pag-request ng boss sa inyo.
As far as I know, Your Honor, there's no particular request of boss, but the action of LTO is based on anonymous complaint that was
Kasasabi
referred to
lang ng
LTO.
boss kanina na nakipag-coordinate sila sa LTO eh. Are you denying that boss did not coordinate even with your office? When in fact, the president of boss stated a while ago that they coordinated first sa inyong opisina?
The coordination, that's why I mentioned a while ago, Your Honor, that the coordination might be for the lifting of the cease and desist order that was earlier issued.
No.
Because that was issued in 2023, Your Honor.
That's
And
not my understanding with the statement of the president of BOSS. May we qualify or clarify from Mr. Tan? Ano po ba yung tenor ng request nyo dito po sa LTO?
Mr. Chair, Tristan Diaz po, may I be allowed to speak in behalf of the club?
Please.
We submitted to the office of Attorney Vigor Mendoza a letter for the conduct of Boss Ironman Motorcycle Challenge in the 19th of January.
And LTO, you do not have that letter in your records?
None, Your Honor.
None?
For me, Your Honor.
Hindi.
I have to check on the
You are
records.
representing LTO. When you are here, you're not appearing for your person only. You are representing your office. A while ago, I asked for the representative of LTO. Ikaw nga nag-volunteer eh. Wala yung boss mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you're in the hot seat. Ngayon, kasi wala yung mga boss mo, iho eh.
Yes, Your
So can you answer my question? Why do you not know about the letter of boss regarding their event?
Your Honor, the letter was not referred to my office. It was just probably in the office of the Assistant Secretary. Unfortunately,
Then,
I don't have a copy of it.
I'll repeat my order. I want to see your boss or your executive director here. Di ba't sinabi ko na kanina? Tingnan mo ngayon ang nangyayari. Hindi mo na masagot yung mga katanungan dito. Ikaw
Yes.
na, sinasabi mo, it's not in my office. You are referring to your office, not the LTO.
Yes, Your Honor.
When in fact, you're officially representing the LTO. Are you taking this committee for granted?
No, Your Honor.
Umayos ka. Otherwise, I'll move to cite you in contempt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung mayor nga namin, nasa bikutan na. Yung mayor na sinite namin in contempt. Hindi na dito kinukulong. Doon na sa bikutan. So you better be careful.
Sir, yes, Your Honor.
Sinasabi na nga nila, may sulat sila eh. If I asked for the letter na nireceive ninyo, kung ipresenta yon, ano ay sasagot po ninyo?
Huwag kalilimutang mag-like at i-click ang subscribe button para updated ka sa pinaka-bagong balita sa loob at labas ng bansa. Salamat!